Welcome back to eCreativeAid. Today I'm going to show you how to make Musakhan, which is a Middle Eastern recipe. So first we need a whole chicken. We cut the back this way. Then we separate the skin from the flesh just like this. And in a bowl, we put pomegranate molasses. Then we add salt. Then we put sumac. And we add olive oil. We mix the ingredients well. Then apply the mixture under the skin. Distribute the mixture evenly on the chicken under the skin. And put the mixture on the skin as well. Distribute the mixture on the back. After covering the whole chicken with the mixture, place it in an oven tray in the refrigerator and leave it for an hour or two. Now place it in the oven, and when it starts to cook, take it out of the oven. Put some onion slices around the chicken. Then add some more pomegranate molasses. Then we add black pepper. And we put oil. Then we put 2 cups of water. And then we put it back in the oven and cook it until it looks deliciously roasted, just like this. Now separate the chicken from the onions into 2 different plates or bowls or whatever you like. Then remove the chicken meat from the bone. Then we get something called regag bread. This is usually sold in Middle Eastern stores. So we put the chicken on top of the bread. Then we put onions. Then we roll the bread. Place it on the grill. Then cover the sandwich with a little bit of oil. Take the sandwiches from the grill when brown and crispy, then cut it into pieces like so, and serve it hot. And this is it. Thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.